How to transfer Agoda cash to bank account. If you've earned Agoda cash, you might be wondering if you can transfer it to your bank account. So let's break it down. Agoda Cash is a rewards credit stored in your Agoda wallet. You earn it through promotions, bookings, or refunds. So you can use Agoda Cash to pay for hotels, flights, or activities booked through Agoda. It reduces your total costs at checkout. Agoda Cash cannot be transferred to a bank. It's designed as a travel credit and not a withdrawable money. The only exception is if Agoda issued a refund into Agoda Cash by mistake. In that case, contact Agoda support to request a transfer back to your original payment method. Use Agoda Cash for future bookings, check your Agoda wallet regularly, and avoid scams that claim you can withdraw Agoda Cash. Agoda Cash is a great way to save on travel, but remember it's for bookings only and not bank transfers.